Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video we'll see how I shoot my YouTube videos, which are the gears I use, what are the equipments and where I shoot my YouTube videos. We'll see everything in this video. So सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि मैं अपने वीडियोस किससे शूट करता हूँ. तो I'll say this is the camera by Canon EOS 1300D. This is the camera through which I shoot my YouTube videos. सारे वीडियोस मैं इसी पे शूट करता हूँ और अगर कुछ साइड एंगल से वगैरह शूट करना है तो मैं अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ करता हूँ जो कि है Xiaomi की तरफ से Poco F1. It is the best mobile under 20,000 और 15,000 की कैटेगरी में अगर आप पकड़ोगे तो it is the best. So those are the two main tools through which I make my YouTube videos, and then next is where I shoot my YouTube videos. So वो सब हम देखते हैं आगे. Okay, so अभी हम देखते हैं कि मैं अपने YouTube videos किधर शूट करता हूँ और कैसे शूट करता हूँ. So let's go. So this is the place where I shoot my YouTube videos. You can see everything here. How I've made a green screen behind where I sit. So it becomes easy for me if I want to change the background of the video or anything. Then it becomes easy for me. I don't have to use a different cloth or something. So this is the place where I shoot my videos. This is the chair, table, my drawing pad. These are all the equipments, mobile stand, and this is the place. You can see now this is how I shoot my YouTube video. ये इधर में मेरा बोर्ड रहता है, ये पेपर पेंसिल. This is where I sit. This is the green screen if I want to make a. So this is the camera place here through which I shoot my videos, and the tripod to attach our camera. You have to take care of one thing whenever you are drawing something or painting anything. So you have to keep your tools and equipments on the right hand side so that it becomes easy and we can do an efficient work when our equipments are placed on the right hand side. So take this as a note. Now this is the place where I sit and shoot my videos like this. So from this to this is my final position while making any video, or it might be a time lapse or any tutorial. So this is my final position. Actually it is done through the camera, and this is the angle. So this is the green screen I have made, and which makes it easier for me if I have to change the background of my video from this to this, or might be this. So it's so easy for me now to change any background if I want to. So for now our setup is quite simple, and with time will get upgraded. Now soon I am going to shift inside my room where I'll shoot my YouTube videos. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा हमें भी अपग्रेड होने के लिए. So I'm trying my best to give you quality videos and everything. I'm focusing on the quality and trying to give you 100% from my side. So now we are shooting our videos here outside in the balcony. Later on we'll shift inside my room and I'll show you where I'll shoot my YouTube videos. So this is our room, and this is where our table will be. There will be my desk, and this is the place where we'll shoot our next upcoming videos. In next month I guess we'll shift here. फिलहाल के लिए मेरे पास ज़्यादा lightings वगैरह तो कुछ है नहीं, इसलिए I prefer balcony where I get some natural light, and that makes our video look so amazing. Also I'm going to upgrade our setup super soon. Once we upgrade our setup and get the proper lightings and everything, and the lens which I am planning to buy, then we can get more quality videos and more clear things you can see. My aim is just to share the knowledge I've got in the field of art or anything. I have to share that all things with you all. So I create such videos for you all so that you get the maximum benefit from it. Also, अगर आपको मेरे videos पसंद आते हैं तो please consider subscribing and drop a like. That motivates me to make more such videos. So this is all about this video and how I shoot my YouTube videos, or you can call a short setup tour. स्टार्ट में ऐसा है, जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे वैसे वो इम्प्रूव होते जाएगा. So with time it will get developed and I will upgrade my equipments, the quality of videos and everything with time it will be upgraded. So फिलहाल के लिए तो ये सब चीज़ें जो मैं करता हूँ, जिससे करता हूँ वो सब. And this is all about the setup tour you can call, or how I shoot my YouTube videos. And अगर आपको ये मेरा small setup tour पसंद आया हो, मैं कैसे शूट करता हूँ वो सब, then give it a thumbs up so that it motivates me to make more such videos. मैं जो भी products वगैरह यूज़ करता हूँ, equipment, gears और anything, so सबके लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिए. आप अगर बाय करना चाहते हो तो आप उधर से भी बाय कर सकते हो. सो सारे लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे. अगर आर्ट इक्विपमेंट्स की भी बात करें तो उनकी भी लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में तो डाल दिए, या फिर अपनी वेबसाइट भी है shopspot.org, आपको उस पर भी सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. और अगर आपने अभी तक गिव अवे में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है तो गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो. I placed the link above, or also the link will be placed in the description box. So go and watch the video, follow all the rules and participate in our exciting giveaway. I've come this far because of you all, so thank you so much. Now that's it for today, and let's meet in our next video. Keep supporting and I'll keep delivering. Thank you.